You think it's just a coffee, just a quick snack, just one more app subscription. But little by little, your money disappears, and you have no idea where it went. Sound familiar? Today, we're diving into the shocking truth about your bad spending habits. And trust me, some of these will hit harder than expected. Let's start with the one that gets everyone. The "it's just a few bucks" mentality. You grab a $6 iced coffee on the way to school, then a $3 snack during your break. Later, you send $10 to a friend for food delivery. It doesn't feel like much, right? But here's the truth. Those little purchases add up to a lot over time. Let's break it down. $5 a day? That's $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. Gone. That could have been a new laptop, an emergency fund, even your first investment. Marketers know this trick. They make things seem cheap, so your brain doesn't resist. But it's a trap. These small hits keep you broke without you ever noticing. So what's the fix? Simple. Track every single expense for a week. You'll be shocked where your money actually goes. Number 2, spending to feel better. Emotional spending. Ever had a bad day and thought, you know what? I deserve this. So you go out and buy something. A new hoodie, a new game, a late-night food delivery, something to lift your mood, even if it's just for a few minutes. That's emotional spending, and it's way more common than you think, especially when life feels stressful, boring, or overwhelming. Here's the shocking truth. Emotional spending isn't about the thing you're buying. It's about how you want to feel. Happy, confident, in control. But that feeling? It doesn't last. The high fades. And now you're stuck with an empty wallet and stuff you didn't even need. Let's be real. Stores and apps know this. That's why there's a "Buy Now" button in your face, right when you're feeling down. It's all by design. And the worst part? The cycle. You feel bad, you spend, you regret it, you feel worse, you spend again. It's like using a Band-Aid for a broken leg. So, how do you stop it? You don't need to go full minimalist, but here's what works. Pause for 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. Ask yourself, do I want this? Or am I just bored, tired, or sad? Find your feel-good habits that don't involve spending, like music, workouts, journaling, or just going for a walk. It's totally okay to treat yourself. Just don't let your emotions take control of your wallet. Because that $60 shopping spree won't fix your stress, but it will show up on your next bank statement. Number 3, you don't know where your money goes. You check your bank account and think, wait, where did all my money go? You scroll through your transactions, and it's just a blur of fast food, random apps, and tiny charges that make no sense. Here's the truth. If you don't track your money, you're flying blind. And most people, especially teens and young adults, have no clue how much they actually spend. You might think you have a budget, but saying, "I'll try not to spend too much this week" isn't a budget. That's a wish. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about awareness. Once you see where your money goes, it changes everything. Think of it like screen time. You don't realize how much you're on your phone until that weekly report hits. Same with money. When you track your spending, you'll see the patterns and the leaks. Maybe it's takeout every other night, or Uber rides instead of walking, or $60 a month on subscriptions you don't even use. Once it's on paper, you will see it. So here's your quick fix. Use a free app like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple Google Sheet. Track every single thing you spend for 7 days, just 7. Then ask, what's worth it, and what's just a habit? You'll probably feel a little shocked, but that's good, because awareness is the first step to changing your money story. Number 4, subscriptions you forgot you're paying for. You signed up for that free trial and never canceled. You're paying for 3 different streaming apps, but only use one. There's that fitness app, the editing software, the cloud storage, and somehow it all just keeps charging your card. This is the silent killer, subscription creep. It's when you slowly pile on monthly costs and forget about them. These small, auto-renewing payments quietly eat away at your money while you're not paying attention. The shocking truth, most people under 25 are paying for 3 to 5 subscriptions they rarely use, and many don't even realize it. Why? Because $7.99 here, $12.99 there, it doesn't seem like much. But multiply that by a year, you're dropping hundreds on stuff that's not adding real value to your life. And companies know it. That's why they make canceling confusing and why they count on you forgetting. Here's what you can do right now. Go through your bank or PayPal statement. Look for anything recurring. Cancel everything you're not using at least weekly. Set a reminder 2 to 3 days before a free trial ends, so you don't get hit with a surprise charge. Bonus tip, stack your entertainment. 1 month, Netflix. Next month, Disney+. No need to pay for all of them, all the time. Every dollar you save from a canceled subscription is a dollar you can invest, save, or spend on something that actually matters to you. 5. Trying to impress others. Let's be honest. We've all done it. Bought the cool shoes, got the latest phone, posted the fancy dinner or trip. Why? Because deep down, we want to be seen a certain way. We want people to think we've got it. We are successful, stylish, living the best life. But here's the shocking truth. Trying to impress people is one of the fastest ways to lose money. You're spending real money to gain fake approval from people who probably aren't even paying attention. Or worse, they're doing the exact same thing to impress you. It's a cycle of flexing that nobody's winning. And the crazy part? Most of the people you think have money don't. They're just good at looking like it. Many are drowning in credit card debt, car loans, and stress. But hey, they've got the fresh fit and the edited beach pic, right? So what can you do instead? Before any flex purchase, ask, would I still buy this if no one saw it? Surround yourself with people who value you, not your stuff. Start flexing your freedom, not your wardrobe. Having savings, no debt, or passive income is way more impressive than another pair of $300 sneakers. Real confidence comes from being in control of your money, not pretending to have more of it than you do. Remember, impressing others might cost you your financial future. And honestly, that's just not worth it. The 6th bad habit, ignoring the long-term cost of financing. You see it all the time. Just $39 a month, split it into 4 easy payments. Or buy now, pay later. Sounds super manageable, right? But here's the shocking truth. These payment plans are designed to trick your brain into thinking you're spending less, when you're actually paying more. Financing makes expensive things feel affordable, but over time, you're paying way more than the sticker price. A $1,200 phone might end up costing you $1,500 once interest, fees, or hidden costs kick in. And it doesn't stop there. Same goes for laptops, clothes, furniture, even sneakers. Thanks to buy now, pay later apps, teens and young adults are financing stuff that loses value instantly. Worst case, you start stacking payments. A phone, a tablet, maybe a subscription or 2. Suddenly, you've got more than $200 going out every month, and your paycheck can't keep up. That's how debt starts, not all at once, but slowly, invisibly. So how do you avoid it? Avoid financing things that don't make you money or appreciate in value. If you can't afford it in full, ask yourself, do I really need it now? Start saving for your purchases instead of paying interest on them. Financing should be used wisely, not to keep up appearances or chase trends. Because the more future money you spend now, the less freedom you'll have later. So now you know some of the most common bad spending habits. But here's the good news. You don't have to be perfect with money, just more aware. Every smart choice adds up, just like every careless one does. Start small. Track your spending. Cancel what you don't use. Spend for you, not for other people. That's how you take back control. And if you're ready to level up your money game, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Because financial freedom isn't just for adults. It starts with the choices you make today. Quick reminder, nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I am here to share ideas and education, not to tell you what to do with your money. Always do your own research or talk to a licensed pro if you need help. Thanks for watching.